My name is Anmol and welcome back to my channel. And in this channel we talk about Instagram daily updates and Instagram daily tips and tricks that you can use to grow your Instagram account. And if the kind of stuff interests you and you want to learn more about that kind of stuff, then consider subscribing to get more bomb content just like this one every single week. So that out of the way, today we're talking about $80 strategy, how you can use that strategy to get your first 1k followers that are going to be highly engaged with your post. So without further ado, let's start the video. This video is going to be divided into 4 main parts. The first part is going to be what is exactly $80 strategy. The second part is what you need to do before implementing this strategy, and the third part is going to be where you can find your ideal audience to engage, and the last, which is going to be the most important part, is that what you need to comment on other people's posts to get a ton of followers back. So now let's talk about what is exactly $80 strategy. So what exactly is $80 strategy? $80 strategy was introduced by Garyvee, but surely Garyvee didn't invent this strategy, because there were so many people before him using this strategy, and just Garyvee just gave it a nice name with a great explanation. And what exactly do you need to do in this strategy? You need to find the best hashtags that are related to your niche. For example, if you have a yoga page, then you're going to find the best 5 or 10 hashtags in yoga page. Or if you have a cat page, then you're going to find 5 or 10 hashtags in cat niche. And after that, after you have find the hashtags, then you're going to start giving 0.2 cents to every 90 comments. 0.2 cents are just your value that you're going to provide. After you find the hashtags and you're ready to do this strategy, you need to start providing value to the people in the comment section. It can be either by replying to some questions or some queries, or you can just simply give a great value to in the comment section, or just simply liking other people's comment that have a meaning. There are some things that you need to do before doing this strategy, and this is actually one of the most important thing that you need to do, and that is optimization. You should have an optimized profile with a great profile photo and with a great bio that directly speaks with your audience, and it tells that what exactly they're going to get out of your profile and what value you're going to give to your audience. And at last, you should have some bomb content in a single niche. Like for example, if you have a cat page and you post about cats, but also you post about yoga stuff every now and then, whenever a new person will come to your profile and he will see that it's a cat page and your bio says that a cat lover, daily cat photos and stuff like that, but a brand new person comes to your profile and he sees that you are also posting about cats and you are also posting about yoga, so he's going to feel sketchy about following you, because your photos are not in a single niche, and that's why maybe you're losing a ton of followers and you're not getting followers. So start posting in a single niche. If you have a cat page, stick to cats. If you have a yoga page, stick to yoga page. And this is what you need to do. You need to start optimizing your profile. You need to have a great profile photo, a great bio, and some bomb content if you want to grow on Instagram with this strategy and you want to take your account to hundreds of thousands of engaging followers. And now let's talk about where you can find your ideal audience. So if you have find the best hashtags and now you have also optimized your profile, now it's time to find where does your ideal audience lies. If you have a cat page, then you're going to follow about 5 or 10 hashtags related to your niche, and you're going to follow a few competitors that are going to be in your niche. And after you have find 5 or 10 hashtags and few competitors, you need to turn on post notification for their content, so that you can get notified whenever they will post a new post on Instagram. So quickly hop on to that post and start providing value, start telling your life experience or something related to that niche and that topic. And if you have wrote a great comment, people will see that this person has provided value, and if they decide to come over to your profile, and if you have an optimized profile, they will follow you back, because they know that they want this type of stuff and your profile is that source that they're going to provide get value from. And just a quick tip, like if you want to comment on recent posts that have about less comments. If you comment on the people's posts that have about 200 plus comments, it's going to be hard for you to stick up with your comment, because there are already so much comments and your comment is going to go down and down. So it's better to comment on recent posts that have followers between 100k and 250k, and they have less comments. If you do that, your comment is going to rank on the top, and people will see your comment, and if it's great, they're going to follow you. And if you have an optimized profile, I just want to say, if you guys are getting value out of it, don't forget to subscribe and like. So this is the juicy part, guys, that you have been waiting for, and now I'm going to tell you that what you need to comment in order to get hundreds of followers in a single day. First is that you need to understand that every comment is going to be different and unique according to that topic. For example, for this post I will say that great content bro, I've also used this type of strategies to get over 3k followers in a single week. Keep up the hard work, and if I will be the first person to comment with providing value whenever a new person will come in the comment section, and if I have posted it early, they will see that they will see my comment, and they will see that how I got over 3k followers in a single week with the strategy that the person is talking about. And if that person can decide to reply to my comment and ask how I did it, or they can decide to directly DM me, and whenever they will go over to my profile, they will see that I also talk about the same stuff, and they will decide to follow me. And over here, if that kind of stuff happens with you and you do something like that, whenever the person tries to DM you, definitely reply to him and start helping him out, because if that person is going to be your true fan, and whenever you have something to sell, he can be your potential client, because he will feel that you have provided him value, and whatever you're selling, it's also going to be beneficial for him. But for this comment, for this photo, I will say that I felt what you were trying to say. I also felt the same way whenever I met my old friend. Great words of wisdom, or something better than that. And now you get the idea that every comment is different and unique. So nobody can provide you a template to use that can help you generate a ton of followers. It's a practice of, it's an art of trial and error. You need to try and find the best comments, and you need to use the best comments in order to get more followers. Try to have a conversation going on with your ideal audience. For example, if you're a fitness coach, try to find people that have asked question into fitness and reply to them, and at the end ask them a question to get the momentum going, and to start a conversation in the comment section, or even DMing them, and at later or soon if you like, they will reply and they will start chatting with you, and they will come over to your profile to follow you, because you have provided them value, and he's going to be one true fan, because in the past you have helped him to get result. And even if you have something to sell, like a supplement or an ebook, he can buy it from you, and he's going to be one potential client for you. And the third, which is actually I've seen so many people do, is that they're directly just have a call to action to follow them. For example, if you have an Instagram growth page, and you see that if you see that there is a post and you comment under it, they saying it like, we also have some great content that can help you grow your Instagram account, and so follow us. Like, you're going to see about 2-3 new followers, but it's not going to be that effective as you're providing value. And secondly, if the content creator can delete your comment because you're trying to steal his audience to your page. So instead, try to provide value, because the more value you will provide, naturally more people will come over to your page to follow them, because you have provided them value. And the last thing is that this is actually one of the best strategies, not only to build quantity but quality audience, because nowadays quantity doesn't really matter anymore, but if you have quantity, you are the king. So like a $80 strategy, it helps you to not only build quality audience, but it also give you quantity. And so that will do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys got value and you learned something new, and if yes, then don't forget to comment down below and saying that I have learned something new. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications and smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Until then, have a great day, great week and a great year, and I'll see you next week with another video. Peace.